In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section divider in Wix website, full 2026 guide for beginners. Section dividers are an easy way to separate content and create smooth visual transitions between sections of your page. Let's walk through this together from start to finish so you know exactly where everything lives and how to make it look great. First, head over to Wix and sign in. When you land on your dashboard, look to the top left to choose the site you want to work on. This is helpful if you manage multiple projects. Make sure you're inside the correct one before you begin. Once you've selected the right site, click Design Site to open the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your page in the center and your editing tools around it. Focus on the top toolbar. Among the icons there, find and click the Section Divider icon. This opens the divider controls and options you'll use to style your transition. When you click that icon, a panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll make your selections. Start by choosing where you want the divider to appear, at the top of the section or at the bottom. Picking this first helps you preview the shape exactly where it will sit in the layout. Next, choose a style. You'll see options like ellipse, which creates a gentle, rounded transition, perfect for soft modern designs. You'll also find tilt, which adds a diagonal edge for a more dynamic editorial look. If you want even more variety, open the More Shapes area to browse additional styles until you find one that fits your brand. Once you see a shape you like, click it. The divider will instantly appear on your page so you can see it in context. From there, use the settings in the same panel to fine-tune the look. You can typically adjust height or size for subtle or bold separation, switch between top and bottom if you change your mind, and match colors to your site theme for a cohesive feel. Small tweaks go a long way. Try a thinner ellipse for a clean, minimal transition, or a steeper tilt for a strong break between sections. A couple of quick tips as you refine: keep contrast high enough that the divider is visible without overpowering your content, and stay consistent across your pages so the design feels intentional. It also helps to glance at mobile view to ensure the divider scales nicely on smaller screens. That's it. You've added a section divider and styled it to fit your site. Keep exploring shapes and settings to find the look that best supports your content.